Hello children, welcome to GK class. Today we will write the spellings of birds. Okay, let's start writing. The first you have to write the numbers 1 till 10 and you have to draw 2 lines so that you can write it thrice. Let's start writing. The first one is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. The second one is owl. O-W-L. The next one is cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. And the next one is hen. H-E-N. Hen. The next is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The next one is swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. The next one is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. You have already learnt your cock spelling. Only you have to learn P-E-A and that cock spelling will come further. Okay. The next one is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. The next one is crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. And the last one is eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Children, you have got a blank page here. You have to draw or stick the pictures of birds. Okay? At least 5 pictures you can stick it. Okay, children? Thank you, children, and learn the spellings also.